This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to activate the Microsoft Azure Student Plan. Whether you're a budding developer, an IT enthusiast, or just curious about cloud computing, the Azure Student Plan offers a fantastic opportunity to explore a wide range of services and tools without any cost. In this guide, I'll take you through each step to ensure you access these resources quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open a web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, just go with whichever one you're most comfortable with. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the official Azure student page by typing in the URL azure.microsoft.com/free/students/. When you arrive at the page, you'll notice that Microsoft has made it very straightforward to get started. There's a prominent button labeled Activate Now or sometimes Start Free. Go ahead and click that button to begin the activation process. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your school-issued email address. This is an important step as Microsoft uses this to verify your student status. Make sure you type in your email address correctly to avoid any delays. After entering your email, you'll need to provide your campus login password. This is the same password you use for accessing other school-related services. Once you've filled in both fields, proceed to the next step. Microsoft employs an automated service that verifies your enrollment right away. This means that, in most cases, you won't have to wait days or even hours to get approved. The verification process should happen almost instantaneously. If everything checks out, you'll have access to the Azure Student Plan and all the resources it includes. As a quick reminder, if you encounter any issues during verification, double-check that your email and password were entered correctly. In some cases, you might need to contact your school's IT department to ensure your credentials are active and valid for use with third-party services like Azure. Once your student status is confirmed, you're all set to dive into the world of Azure. With the Azure Student Plan, you get access to a variety of tools and services, including machine learning, app services, and more. It's a great way to start building your skills without any financial commitment. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to make the most out of your Azure experience. First, take advantage of the free tutorials and learning resources available on the Azure platform. Microsoft offers a wealth of guides and documentation to help you get started. Secondly, explore the Azure community forums. They are a fantastic place to ask questions, share knowledge, and connect with other students and professionals in the field. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. The Azure Student Plan is your playground to try out new ideas and projects. And there you have it, a simple guide to activating the Microsoft Azure Student Plan. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you're excited to start exploring all that Azure has to offer. If you found this guide useful, feel free to share it with your classmates or anyone else who might benefit. Thanks for watching and happy learning.